In this video, I'm going to explain about ternary operator, which is also called as conditional operators. Okay, so this ternary operator is an alternative to the if-else statements. See, writing if-else in the different lines, and it is to write the same if-else statement in only one statement, we go for the ternary operator. Okay, it is an alternative for the if-else statement, and this ternary operator operates on the three operands. As the name ternary means three, so this ternary operator is the only operator which operates on the three operands. Okay, so the operator used for this is the question mark and then the colon. Okay, this is the ternary operator. So general syntax of this ternary operator is, see, we first will check some condition will be checked, and so that means condition check means we will check the condition. The condition may be what? Condition may be true or false. So I will check the condition, so question mark. I will check the condition. I don't know what is the condition result. Okay, so once the condition is true, suppose the condition is true, so whatever is there in the place of expression 1, so that will be sent. Okay, otherwise expression 2 will be assigned as a result. Okay, so this expression 1 or expression 2, here this is the colon. So now whatever which the condition is true, the expression value will be assigned, or if the condition is false, expression 2 will be assigned. Assume we are storing the result in some variable. Let us take res, result. Instead of result, I said res. Now, what is the result of this expression or this statement? If the condition evaluates to true, the condition is evaluates to true, so then expression 1 will be assigned to the result when it is in the case of true. Condition is true. Suppose if the condition is false, then expression 2 will be assigned to what? Result. This is in the case of false. This is how what ternary operator will works. So this ternary operator is also called as what? Conditional operator. Let us see some example. So let's say suppose A is equal to say 10 and B is equal to say 15, for example. Now I want to check which is greater. I want to print, if A is greater, I want to print A value. If B is greater, I want to print B value. In this case, which is greater? A, B is greater. Now, how to write the same thing? So now, I want to write, say, I'll take one variable called big. So big is equal to, now I have to check the condition. What is the condition? A is greater than B. So then after that, question mark. So if the condition is true, then what I have to return? Condition is true means A is greater than B. Then I am assigning A to big. Otherwise, colon, B and colon. So then as usual semicolon. Now this statement, whichever it is big, that will be assigned to the big. Okay, let us see the same thing, how it will work with the help of the code. See, I have declared three variables A, B for the two numbers and one variable for big to hold which is the largest number among this A and B, and I clear the screen and then printing enter any two numbers, just a message, and then I'm reading the two values of for the A and B at the runtime using scanf. So and then I'm using this ternary operator. See, I'm checking A greater than B and then question mark. If condition is true, A will be assigned to big. If the condition is false, B is assigned to the big. Okay, so now big holds whichever it is greater, that is holding the big. So now I'm printing the larger number is, I'm printing the big. Okay, so let us run this program. So I run this program. Now it is asking me to enter any two numbers. So I am entering, say, let us say first 12 I am entering. So next I am entering 10. Now which is greater among 12 and 10? 12 is greater. Now larger number is 10, 12 has to print. Okay, so getting larger number is 12, I am getting fine. So let us check now the next second number is greater. Now I have given in such a way that first number is greater. Now let us give the input in such a way that second number is greater. Okay, so again I will run. So now we can see, we will give 10 and 15 as we discussed. So now the larger number is what? 15, that has to get printed. Okay, see the printing, larger number is 15. So this is working fine. See, this is the program what just now we discussed, and this program, so with the use of this one, what? See, this is the ternary operator and this is used to check what, which is the greater. Okay, so now instead of using third variable, here only we can print. No need to print here. Now, instead of big, okay, so now I can change. So same thing, what I'll change, instead of using the here big variable, so see, I won't use this variable big. Okay, so I honor, so just I'll try, so I'm not printing separately, here only I will print, okay. Instead of this statement, so what I will write, I will do the same thing, so A greater than B, so question mark, I'm checking, if the condition is true, what I am doing, in the place of expression 1, I am printing A is bigger, okay. So printf larger number is what percentage d slash n what A. If this is condition is true, so it will print this one. Print the larger number is A, it will print. Okay. Next colon in place of expression 2. So expression 2 will be assigned if the case is false. At that time I print B value. Okay. So here another printf will write. So printf colons larger number is percentage d slash n. So then B. As usual semicolon. Okay, that's it. Now I avoided what third variable. Instead of assigning, here only I printed. So here I check the condition. If the condition is true, what will so condition is true, expression 1 will be evaluated, and that in the place of expression 1, I'm printing A value. So in the place of expression 2, I'm writing the B value. So that's it. Okay, this is one line statement. Let us see how it works with the code. See here, I have not used the same thing in the here only I am printing in the place of expression 1 I am printing what A value in the place of expression 2 I am printing the B value. Okay, this is the only change. Okay, so again I will run this program. See now it is asking for the enter number. So first one I will give say let us say 13. So then I'll give a second number, say 56. Here which is greater? 56 is greater. Now you should print what? 56 you should print. See, the larger number is 56, it is printing. So it is working fine. So let us now here in this example, I have given input in such a way second number is the largest. Now I'll give first number as the largest. Okay. So now first number. So again I will run this program. So enter any two numbers it is asking. So I will give say 12. And then 8 I will give. Now which is the largest number among these two? 12. Now it has to write 12. See, largest number is 12. So this is working. So this is how ternary operator is working. Like this, we can write one ternary operator with another ternary. Suppose example, see here I check the condition. If condition is true, again I can write in expression 1, I can write one more ternary operator. Again here I can ternary operator. Like that we can write any number of ternary operator with another ternary operator. This is called nested ternary operator. Okay. Hope you people understood what is this ternary operator, and this ternary operator is also called as conditional operator, and this ternary operator operates on 3 operands, and what is the general syntax of this ternary operator, how it works, so that we discuss. Okay. So if you have any questions, please write it in the comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.